Guys, hello, and I'm just putting together a watch list. Now, I'm pretty much just basing it on the top percentage gainers here that we saw yesterday, and also included in the mix is LBIX. I think this is, an interesting one still. It's up. They had some earnings results out, so I do have a poor connection apparently as well. So my internet here in Perth can sort of fluctuate a little bit from good to like third world country. Now I've got Archon up here, so this is an interesting one. It is, up considerably on the day. Obviously it doubled, so, but it's sort of held pretty nicely, and it's got a little bit of basis support here. Zoom in a little bit more because my eyesight's, around 197 or so. You could 195, 197. Is where it had, I would say 2 legitimate bounces, and it's sort of holding again here in pre-market. So we'll be one to watch, maybe, a potential. It's got a lot of work to do, get a genuine breakout of 250. What's the high here? 235. So it's. It's already gone up so much, that's the problem. It could sort of, if we see another bounce again off this, potential buy trade. But in the back of my mind, I'm thinking that the probability is it might fade a little bit. I mean, let's just see the actual news on this. Archon and BOW signal sewage treatment strategic cooperation agreement. Okay, so interesting. If there's a catalyst again and it's holding, that support around the early 2s, I'd consider a buy trade. So that would be the plan for that. And TRXC. This is trading well above VWAP, and it's also pretty strong pre-market as well. It's a little bit below the 20-day moving average. If we get above the 20-day moving average, it closed at, what did it close? Okay, so it closed at, was it 288? Or wasn't it? $81, $84. Okay, we'll call it 281. So look, this is an interesting one. If it can hold above the 20-day moving average, I'd consider a buy here as well. And then LBIX is the best out of the lot is TRXC with the best news. So they had FDA approval of a surgical robotic system. So this is the one I'm going to be watching. It is up a lot, but ideally a dip. Even if it like comes down considerably. I mean, like, there would be interesting. Like 217. A bounce off 217 would be pretty sweet from this one. Again, volume has to be good too. And I think it's going to be me concluding things. The primary focus will be TRXC, potential dip buy off 217, guys. I'm going to end the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Happy trading.